Introducing Certified in Housekeeping Operations, a specialized course by Sqilah. Housekeeping plays a vital role in hospitality, ensuring clean, safe, and welcoming environments. Its importance goes beyond hotels, extending to hospitals, malls, clubs, and commercial spaces worldwide. This course equips you with practical knowledge of housekeeping operations, cleaning techniques, equipment and chemical usage, and room and public area maintenance. You will also gain insights into laundry operations, inventory management, safety practices, pest control, and professional documentation. This course prepares you for roles such as room attendant, housekeeping supervisor, executive housekeeper, and other leadership positions. Enhance your career with industry-standard courses in aviation, logistics, hospitality, healthcare, and travel and tourism. Enroll now at Sqilah.co.